How to use Google Authenticator app for Facebook, 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to secure your Facebook account with the Google Authenticator app. Let's get started. First, download the Google Authenticator app from the Play Store or App Store if you haven't already. Open Facebook. Go to the menu by tapping the three lines, then Settings and Privacy, and Settings. Under Security and Login, tap Two-Factor Authentication, then add a security method and choose Authentication app. Scan the QR code displayed on Facebook with the Google Authenticator app. It'll generate a code. Enter the code from the app into Facebook and tap Next. Your account is now more secure. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next visit.